Hello dear friends, today we can discuss about the BNS Act. In the previous IPC Act, Section 3, General Exemptions. In general exemptions, we're defining from the penal acts only. The Section 4, we can punishments also describe the punishments. The punishments, one life punishment, one punishment is normal punishment there, one labor hard work punishment there, and punishment and with fine also there, and punishment with the community punishment and some property seizing punishment, seizes punishments, and that punishment we can pronounce under section 4 in BNS Act. And sometimes punishment and fine, both of it there. Punishment and fine also imprisonment. Fine also impose and punishment also announce. We have definitely in the act very clearly show that act in criminal side, criminal section and criminal process or any judgment or any punishment, definitely we can given from the BNS Act. The olden days we can IPC Act there. IPC 1860 also there. Nowadays is a BNS Act 2023. The criminal side have BNS Act also give the punishments. BNSS Act we show the procedure only. We can show the procedure only. We can filing procedure and police of procedure, everything also procedure, we can give the procedure only. BNS Act is a punishment given. The punishment in under section 4, we can remember everybody, section 4 is a punishment. We can describe the punishment, the definition of the punishment, what type of the life punishment to hard punishment to normal punishment to punishment and fine, and we can punishment and the fine, community punishment, a different type of the all punishment we give, we can show in the section 4 in BNS Act. The olden days we can punishment also given the in village elders we can discuss the one held up the one panchayati. The panchayati punch 5 members also there. The 5 members we can decided to what type of the give the punishment. That punishment is liable from the everybody obey the punishment in the village area. The olden days. Then after we can coming the nowadays we have the outside of the panchayati we never recognize in the law. The law also we give the our Lok Adalat policy, Lok Adalat also there. We can compromise systems also there, and we can fine also, we can pay the fine, we can admission also there, admission fine also can pay. The type of some punishments also with compromise with close some punishment, some cases, and some cases we can admission only. Admission we can going to admit that offense I am also doing. We never do the any another offense. I can pay the payment of the punishment, payment of the amount of the what about amount we can honorable judges we can we give the payment also there. That payment also pay the in this court premises, court have pay the amount. We can afterwards we can close the cases only. Some little bit cases only there. They have more cases. For example, Gaming Act cases there. The section 9 also Gaming Act admissible 1000 or 1500 pay the fees. We can close the case only. Some another cases also we never close the some cases even must be should at the time of the trial. We can hostel the witnesses we can give the favor of the accused. What type of I never saw that time how which person we can involve the crime. We can admission in the before the honorable court. We can give the statement. We can close the case only. That one type of the we can admission of the admission is there. Second type of we have hostile the evidence. Hostile the evidence mean the evidence is completely we can deny from the prosecution. Deny from the prosecution. The evidence also we can favor of the accused only. Already outside we can compromise the term and condition. Then we can going to court in we can say that about I can hostile the cases mean that person who's the persons we can prosecution side there na we can give the evidence we can favor of the accused. How can give the evidence favor? I never saw that person. I don't know that person involved or not involved in the crime, and that any signature we can put in the police officer at the time of investigation, that blind papers we can take in the signature. That is all false statement, but we can close the case. Okay, thank you very much. We have one more time repeat the section 4. We can describe the punishment in the BNS Act. We have to aspirants or practice persons, everybody help from the section 4 is very important. Thank you so much.